Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I just wanted to jump on for a few minutes to show you what tomorrow's project is and what I will be using. When you jump on, just say hey that you're here so I know that you're here. I'm going to give it a minute. I know everybody likes to sort of know what they're going to need. So instead of posting, I thought I'd jump on since I'm working on getting ready for tomorrow. Hi Pamela, how are you tonight? Hi Gail. It is ungodly hot in my craft room right now, guys. I got to tell ya. Our air conditioning broke upstairs. Hi, Sharon. I'll be there soon, Tuesday. Going to Michigan Tuesday. And Sharon is my future daughter-in-law's mother. So I will be seeing her soon. Hi, Susan. Okay. Maybe a week or so ago, someone messaged me if I could show them how to make the mini book wreath using the canning jar lids, the rim. So that is what I'm working on. I told her, I promised her before I went to my son's, I would show. Hi, Sharon. Hi, Leslie. I would show how to make that. So this is what we're going to be making tomorrow. This, and what I'm using is I bought these at Walmart. If you can find the Main Street brand there, they're a little cheaper. I think the Main Street brand is like maybe $2 for this box. I think this was $3 something. But they're the regular size. And this old book that I got at Goodwill. And this, I measured the page. So when I tell you what size I'm using, because I didn't measure the squares. I just fold it and cut. Hi, Leslie. This is 9 1/4 long and 6 inches wide, these pages are. So that's what I'm going to be using. And these little beads from Hobby Lobby. These ones are from Hobby Lobby and these ones are from Michael's. This one I used plain beads. See, round. This one I used that little fancy bead. I like that little fancy bead. Now, when I went to Joann's the other night, hi Debbie. The Joann's has tons and tons of clearance, and it's all an extra percentage off. So I saw these little things here. These are 2.5 inch by 42 inch. There's 20 strips and 5 colors. See these little strips of fabric? They have tinsel in them, guys. These are regular $14. They were on sale for $5.47, and there was an extra 40% off. So they were like $3 something. Sprinkled, sprinkled, sprinkled. From Cave Springs, Georgia. Thank you for sprinkling. I missed the name. Hi, Joyce. So you know I had to buy these. I didn't know what I was doing with them, but I had to buy them. I just took them apart because I was cutting them. So I have the wide mouth mason jar lids. These are the wide mouth ones. I thought I'd try because they're already in strips. So I just cut 3-inch pieces. Guys, I am liking this. Look how cute this is. The tinsel in it. Hi Sherry, I just saw Bo on the Shabby Tree and he got a lot of stuff from North Carolina from Culpepper's. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look. I don't know what that is, Culpepper's. But I'm really liking this wreath. So if you're out, by no means, if it's not safe, don't go out. But if you're out, stop in Joann's and see if you see these strips of fabric on clearance. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Thank you, Sharon Cox. Thank you so much. I love the flowers. Are you talking about Lisa's flowers? Or my flowers behind me there? Okay. So that is what I'm going to be using. The book, these strips, the wide mouth, the regular mouth, a hot glue gun, this twine from the Dollar Tree, wooden beads. These are 5/8 inch beads. These came from Michael's, but I know Hobby Lobby also has them. Love it. Those are super cute. Yay, Shelly. I love them too. Someone wanted me to, I should have looked up the name first. Wanted me to make them. And these little beads are from Hobby Lobby. And glue sticks and a ruler and a pencil. So maybe I try not to get too many burns. Sherry, I love them. Wide mouth fabric wreath. Me too, Amanda. Isn't it cute? I think it's cute for fall. It looks like a navy. I don't know if it's black or navy. Sometimes it looks black, sometimes it looks navy. And a tan, and a white with silver, a gray, a cream color. So I'm really liking that for fall. Hi, Diane. Hi, Martha. Were y'all watching Lisa just a little while ago? I was watching her. And I need to order the lights that she got because the lighting was much better. Coupler's is a salvage place. Lots of cool stuff. Oh, Kimberly, I did not know that. See? Thank you for letting me know. I'll have to see what he got. So those are made with book pages. Yes, Shelly, these are made with book pages. These are made with book pages, and all I do is fold them in half and I cut them. I'll show you guys tomorrow night. I love the craft for tonight. I can't wait to make it. So adorable. Okay, I'm not showing you how to make this tonight though, guys. This is tomorrow, but I just want to jump on and show you what we're going to be making and what I'm going to be using. So if you're out and about tomorrow and you want to make them with me, all you need is a book, canning jar lids, and a hot glue gun, and some jute. You don't even need the wooden beads if you don't want the wooden beads. Love your crafts, and I finally caught you live. Not often that I do that. Yay, Mary. I'm so glad you're here. Hello from North Hampshire. Love the little wreaths. Yay, Danita. I love them too. And these are really cute at Christmas time. I might sprinkle some glue and some glitter on this. I don't know. I'm just trying to get them ready for tomorrow. Yes, I watched Lisa won a notebook giveaway, so I can jot down all you three girls' crafts. Yay! Yeah, she came up with that notebook idea. She thought it was a cute idea because she made a joke about it. Love the one with book pages, especially. Can't wait. Yes. Do you think it needs glitter? I don't know. I might try. I might try glitter. We'll see what happens, and I'll let you guys know tomorrow. So we might be using glitter. That's up to you. Glue and glitter. Thank you, Clara. I'm so glad you're here. All right. I don't want to keep you because I know everybody's been on and on today. I'm going to try to finish this to get ready for tomorrow because I need to do some running around tomorrow. Coupler's Auto Depot is where Bo and Sally went. Old windows, doors, and spindles. I need to find somewhere like that here. Hi, Sherry. Caught you live. Hopefully we'll watch you tomorrow because I want to make those. Yay, Donna. I think tomorrow, it's probably going to be about 7 o'clock, but I'll let you know for sure tomorrow. And tomorrow's Thrifty Thursday, and I am ready for that. And I added something special in there. So get ready to watch that, guys, because I have a little surprise in there for y'all. Okay, good night and sweet dreams, everybody, and stay safe. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Bye.